important. Cookware, cooking rice, expensive though. $600 for this one. Wow. Why? Why is that so expensive? This one is 660. This is the most expensive rice cooker I've ever seen. So with that, just for hot stone rice, gamasut rice. What is gamasut rice? Okay. So the model we have at home is this one. Still very expensive. No, not this one. Here it is. The P1009S. Oh, it's on sale. It's gone up in price though. We have have an older model. Still, it cooks rice really well. I don't know what this one will do. Wow. I just can't get over the fact that you can have a rice cooker for $700. Oh my goodness. Oof. Man, honestly, what's the cheapest one? This one